Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a calculated table in a Power BI. Now the first thing you want to do is come to the left hand panel, change this to table view. Now, let me show you something. If I come and click on these columns, you'll see that I have done a summation for them. So I have done calculations on them. So you can easily come here and change this from don't summarize to sum. Okay, that does the calculation. We can also do is create new columns and make a whole calculation based on that. So let's say for this example, we have sales and we have cost of goods sold. So I will go ahead and make gross profit. Okay, so we'll rename this column. We'll name it gross profit. Okay, so there we go, gross profit. And I'll remove this column part. So gross profit equals to, add the square brackets. So we'll take sales, okay, or gross sales, it's okay, any of them. So I'll do sales minus cost of goods sold. So I'll do another square bracket, minus cost of goods sold, should give us the gross profit. And this will be in a new column right here. So just press enter and let's see the calculation. And as you can see, this one would be calculated, right? So it's going to work on it. Just give it a few seconds and we should get something similar to the profit right here. As you can see, the numbers seem to be exact. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple.